My name is Jeremy Eisen. This is the final presentation for the term project, Homeward Bound. Video 1, code structures. Alright, first off I have 4 packages to start with: control, model, resources, and my view. Resources just containing all the images. First off, in control I have my observer. Inside my observer I have the dogbone create event, the dogbone observer add new, the observer, subject, and then I'll have the input event, key event listener. I got rid of all those. Alright, then I have my main. I have my player input event queue. Inside the model I have a vehicle package. I have my car class. This does use the strategy design pattern. I have a car animation hit. Pretty much just loads the image. I have the car animation strategy. Car animation traveling. Then I have a dogbone class. This is actually new. Whenever I realized I didn't really have anything that was using the observer pattern, I went ahead and created this. It works out pretty well. This is my main character, Doggo. Set the barriers here. Got the on hit. Much if he runs out of lives. Could put this in the main, but I like it being attached to Doggo. The doghouse, this is actually final objective, I guess. This is why it's called Homeward Bound. Finish line is, it's just mostly an image, so there's not a whole lot going on in here. Game data. Here's my game figure class. Here's my river class. River log left. River log right. Here's my starting line. And take out those. Don't need them. They probably just shouldn't be there. Doesn't really do much here. Starting line. Got my text class. It's just a display text pretty much. Now inside of my view folder, I have my canvas. Yeah, here I actually changed the rendering option so I can have different objects on top. Like I want my dog to be on top of the log, which it took me a really long time to find this for some reason, but here it is. I changed the order to be what is it? Enemy objects on the very bottom, I guess I would say. All the friend objects in the middle, fixed objects on top, fixed object being like my doggo. I have the window. And that's it for my source code.